evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Wednesday, October 5th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We're going to try something a little different this morning. We're going to show a 5-minute chart. And I want you to see pre-market action. You really need to draw trend lines to see how they materialize throughout the day. Once a low is put in and then a high is put in, notice the symmetry between the low to the opening price, the high to opening price. Excellent opportunity to go ahead and draw some Fibonacci lines. We're going to go from the low to the high. And we drew this blue attack zone here between the 50 and the 61%, 61.8% retracement area. Drew this right at about, say 11:15 to 11:30, and did not quite have a pullback. This is pretty much sideways chop, but it is something to be aware of. So we kept this rectangular box in here for quite a while. Then the sell-off occurred right here over the no trade zone, only to find support right there at around 1 o'clock. We saw a nice clean bounce. We used other market internal indicators, and this would be a nice clean bounce upward to hit final target up at around 11:32. Now 11:32 also happens to be, let's go ahead and remove the Fibonacci lines, remove the trend line, and I want you to just see how symmetry works throughout the day on different charts, low to high. Go ahead and stop the right side and grab it and just bring it over. It's in a kind of an extended flag pattern. There's your low to your high, eventual final target right here at about 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. Anyways, hope this gives you some ideas on a 5-minute chart. Let's go ahead and go on into the trade day. Today we are showing 8 valid trade setups for a max potential of 39 ES ticks. This morning the market opened up at 1120.25, represented by the white dotted line. This is a no trade zone from 9:30 until 9:45. The only time we will take a trade is if it's in the direction of the gap fill. In this case, we had an opportunity right there at around 9:44 to get long. Our first target was off, but then we got stopped out for -2 ticks. Now, what we have is what's called a second chance opportunity, and I didn't get on that one, but the second chance opportunity here triggered right there at about 9:57, triggered to take both targets for a total of 14 ES ticks. You'll notice those trades in yellow are the trades we didn't actually do in the trade room. The ones in green and red are the ones that we did. The market continued as we had an opportunity to get long right here at about pretty close to 10 o'clock. Opportunity to get long and got stopped out for -2 ticks. We also had a news report coming up at 10 o'clock, which the news was positive or better than expected, and the market moved upward. Coming through opening price, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 8 ticks. Again, this is a trade we missed. It just happened way too fast. And then coming back, just notice how price action stayed around opening price most of the day. An opportunity to get long. Both targets were hit for a total of 13 ticks. And then again, just all chop most of the day today is had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks. An opportunity to get long. Another target 1 and target 2 were hit for 12 ticks. Once we had our firm footing above opening price, we had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 for 12 ticks. And then going into the no trade zone, we had one last opportunity to try to get long, get stopped out for -2 ticks. The no trade zone runs from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, a period of lower volume and higher volatility. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an immediate move upward and found resistance up at our hourly range high. Continued to test our hourly range high a second time, pulled back, test our hourly range high a third time. Notice the double tops and double bottoms here. And then we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 11 ticks. And a reversal. Now we saw the strength and the momentum of market moving higher. Tested it a fourth and fifth and sixth time. It was going to break through, just a matter of time. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ticks. And then we had a breakthrough. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for 9 ticks. Some traders were able to hold on a little longer to get up here to the Globex range high. Tested the Globex range high, broke through, worked its way up, had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit and got stopped out for -2 ticks before ending the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups or to get a copy of the Trader Shark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.